Money, 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 money. Wow. What the fuck is going on? What is happening, chat? We knew that would happen, didn't we? We knew it. I knew it. You guys knew it. We all knew it. We all knew it. We knew that the fucking market was gonna do something stupid. And well, it did exactly that. It pulled back and then it went to the fucking moon. What a joke. What a joke. I can't right now. All right. We're a little early for power hour, but we are the fair value gap. That's going to be the LuxAlgo price action concepts. LuxAlgo price action concepts there. Check that out. The indicator that I use on the charts there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. But look at this fucking, oh my God. Look at how beautiful this move was here. We pulled back, 15-minute chart, bull flag. Almost up there now to the 700s. So frustrating. This morning, absolutely terrible. I know, we talked about that this morning, didn't we? The inverse head and shoulders. We just needed to go a little bit deeper this morning before going higher there. Painful. Painful. Just frustrating mostly frustrating, and not even painful. It's just, like I said earlier, it's frustrating because you spend all that mental capital in the morning when the market's going nowhere, and then you walk away, you go to lunch. Look at this, literally at 11 o'clock, 11:50, we went up like 500 points, 450 points. Like how, you know, why NASDAQ, why do you do this to me? It's painful. All right, getting ready here. Power hour coming up. That's right. Right now, NASDAQ just going straight to the moon. Straight to the freaking moon. 20,700. Look at this rip. What a time to be alive. NASDAQ up there to the 20,700s now. Absolutely insane move. Look at this. This morning, market opens up. We go sideways for literally an hour, basically. And then middle of the day, market goes to the moon. Middle of the day, who would have thought? The power hour today was at 12 o'clock. People always ask, Patrick, what time is power hour? Well, today it was at 11:58. Now we got to be a little patient here. Wait for see how this move goes. 20,700, 729 there. 20,729. Going on. Blue Collar Studio. What the hell? What? What's going on? What? Don't worry about it. No, what is it? What's poppin'? What do you think? Like it? We're nuts, right? When you told him to do something that I don't want him to do. Told him, don't clean this car right this way. Yeah, be quiet, people. What song is this? This is some DJ mix. I don't even know what song it is, to be honest. All right. Here we go. Market pulling back here a little bit. Market pulling back here. We'll see if we get a nice little pullback. A pullback in. I'd like to, like, man, the range today is pretty wild when you think about it. Cray cray. Matt said, watch it get back the whole move. Low FEF trader. Yeah, I use OBS. Pretty much everybody uses OBS for streaming. It's kind of the go-to. The go-to. We're live. The BDH. I had to sell my car. Lost all my money this morning. Had to go to the pawn shop. Sold the GT500. Couldn't afford it anymore. Really broke the bank on that one. YOLO. Look at the car tracks on the carpet there. All right, all right, all right. Now we need to wait. We need to be patient for that right opportunity. Uh-oh. We got a rising wedge pattern on the ES. This happened yesterday. Rising wedge pattern where the market pulled back. Oh, it's happening on the NASDAQ as well. Oh, God. You can see the detection, pattern detected. Pattern detected there. Rising wedge. This is a bearish reversal pattern anticipating a downside breakout. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did you guys get that end of middle of day move? Anybody get the middle of day move here? What a crazy move it was. What a crazy move. I got this little trade right here from the 260s up here to the 20,352. Look at that thing. Oof. Off the 21 EMA. Oof. Oof. Ooh, ooh. Put that on your refrigerator. Sexy. Sexy, sexy. Sal's perspective up 24,000. Damn, dog. You rich. Sal's perspective is real rich. $24,000. All right, we pulled back on the 1 minute chart right into that 21 EMA there again. We got a pivot point here, 729s. 729 pivot point. Now that I go live, the market's gonna just chop around here. Are you gonna spank Rips if he comes to the BDH? Probably no spanking. Just a little fun. We're not no dominatrix type shit. Right there at that 680 level here now. Looking at the rest of the market, not like a very sexy pullback right here, but the trend obviously has just been higher and higher. Right there, the 20,700 level now. Where's she gonna go? Where's she gonna go? I feel like a pullback here to the 600, 580 level would be ideal. Put a pullback into this 600, 580 level is what I would like to see. Five-minute chart right now. Rambo, are we buying or selling? I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. Getting real tight here again. We put in this another like a little higher low, but let's say if we get above 20,700, then push up there towards this previous day high area, right? Chop. I went live. Market chops. Classic. When did you come up with the name BDH? Like 10 years ago. 10 years ago. All right, like I said, ideally kind of we'd like to see like a pullback here into this 580 area for the longs. Look at the bigger time hourly chart now. We're right below yesterday's high. What's crazy is if you look at the ES here, ES held this pivot point there earlier. Look at this thing, just held it for like 40 minutes. Impressive, actually. It's impressive. The action has been beautiful. I love looking. I love like whenever I want to feel better, you know, I just look over at Top Step TV. I see who's on there and then I just giggle.
Habibi, these candles, Mavnig, 100 plus points is wild.
Habibi, come to Dubai. You know, it is crazy. 100 points, baby. Zeke the plumber. He's trading behind the toilet. You ever get stuck in a trade, you know? Toilet trade? Triangle on the hourly chart? Where? We've got a on the ES. On the ES, we've got a rising wedge pattern on the 2-minute chart here, which is predicting a bearish move. And then on the NASDAQ, we've also got a falling wedge. Well, no, that's on the hourly, but 2-minute chart. Let me see. Yeah, rising wedge on the 2-minute chart here. Bounced off the 21 EMA there, the 35s. Your trend line. If we lose that 21 EMA there on the 2-minute chart, I think we can run into that 570 area there next. Let's see. Right there at the 21 EMA for now. 2-minute chart supporting there. back up to test our trend line there again. American RVs going to the beach. Are you going in the RV? Crazy, the range has just been crazy. Tory Trades is trying to sell you an $800 course. Tell her that you want to pay $8,000. That's what you should do. Respond to the email and be like, can I pay $8,000? And see what she says. You know, be like, is there any way that I can just give you $8,000? Because I think the value is way more than 800. Just to see the response, you know? I think it'd be a funny joke to respond and be like, hey, Tori, this price, 800 is way too cheap. So I would like to give you $8,000 for all of your knowledge. Trendline, Tory Trades. Hey, all you gotta do if you want to learn how to trade, go to the 4-hour chart, draw a trend line, and then wait. Just wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. No. Oh wait, it kind of did break out on the 4-hour chart. It would have been profitable. Let's see. All right, it broke through here at the 590s. Damn, dog. That'd be 100 points. My car salesman's calling me. Yo. Firm. You did not. You didn't say your little pecker's firm. Oh God. Where does that put us at, you think? Yeah. It would be like it would pretty much probably like maybe like 10,000 extra out of pocket, basically. Yeah, which you will. Yeah. Do it. Do it. I mean, yeah, do you really think they have other people that really interested in it? I doubt it. Yeah. All right. I mean, let's sit on it till Monday and see what happens. I mean, there's other cars there around that in that price point. I mean, if you're gonna spend fucking $380, you're gonna spend $420. What the fuck's the difference, you know? Yeah, no, I don't think people are not lining up to buy fucking 765s. That's for sure. All right, yeah, I got that fishing tournament the next 2 days anyway. So maybe if I win $1 million, then I'll call you and say, fuck it, let's just go buy a $1 million car. Yeah, or if I don't win, then I'll call you and say, hey, let's buy it because I can't afford anything else. Definitely not. No, I would still buy the 765. Who? You ain't got no friends. What are you talking about?
I know his daughter is her voice.
Makes sense. Fishing? Sounds about right. That's normally how it works. Because if you knew anything about fishing, you would not be running a tournament. All right, later. What's oh god? I'm trying to buy a car over here. It's not easy. Not easy buying cars, people. Market moving down there to the 600s now. Nice little reaction there off the 600s already. 40 points straight back up. How we looking? I'm looking good. How you looking, Steve? Watching here on the NASDAQ, this dip down into that 600 level was, I was looking, I would have liked to see like 570, 580 area. Can we get all the way down there on this pullback? Maybe. 5-minute chart right now. Pulling back there, trying to hold up the 600s. What ship am I buying? No, I'm buying a 765 McLaren. $400,000. I'm rich. I kind of like this possible bull flag here on the 5-minute chart for this breakout, like through the 70 area. We're holding up right now there. Back above the 21 EMA. We get above the 70s, got that pivot point up there, 729. Really, what for? Fun? No. Not for fun. We don't do anything for fun around here. Patrick, why would you buy a car? Oh, well, just to park it behind me because I don't have one anymore because I lost everything this morning. I'm broke. I'm broke. Broke, Junior. Top step is short. You know what that means. We got to get long, boys. We got to get long. All in long. We get through that 670 level, see if we go straight. If we get this push, continued push up there to that pivot point. Got to get through the 670s. Running into that trend line right there. Pressure. All right, top step is short at the 850s on the ES, on the MES. How the fuck they got, what they get short at right here? 850? It's guaranteed to go up now. It is guaranteed to go up. Trying to break out there on the NASDAQ now. Or, man, I put that little yellow line on the chart and then the market just obeys it. It's crazy. Are you winning, son? Yeah, son, we winning. Yeah, son. It's 2:43. Waiting for the power hour to begin here at 3 o'clock. Can we get a big move here, end of day? Right now, the bears holding it down below that 670 level. Looking for a possible breakout through 670. Stuck there for now and pulling right back down. So see what this NASDAQ wants to do. We can pull back a little bit deeper. Dipping down there again, but then kind of pushing right back up, getting tight here. 650, 660 level. Getting tight. What happened? What ended up happening with the Brian Stonk feud? Didn't have a feud. What ended up happening is that he admitted that some of his affiliate money is also a part of his payout money. Who would have thought? You know, maybe the guy that called him out, you know, maybe I pointed something out, you know, like, oh, wow. How did Patrick know? I don't know. Because maybe I know, you know, I don't know. Patrick, how did you know? Because I know. This is gonna be like yesterday. Yesterday's power hour kind of did this, where it was just like stuck on this trend line and just kept moving down. Tookie FX. It's markets, it's been a lot, it's been very volatile. I mean, you're getting some really big, you know, choppy moves. We're getting some, I mean, some of these candles, you're getting 100 points on a 2-minute candle. I mean, there's been some big moves, man. It's been difficult, even for me. It has not been a good market for being greedy. You do not want to be greedy in this market. If you see green, take green. If you see green, take green, you know? That would be my one piece of advice for anybody out there. Nothing wrong with locking in profits when this shit's going on. A lot of volatility. A lot of volatility. There's a lot of people blowing up accounts right now. And if they claim that they're not blowing up accounts, well, they probably are. They're just not telling you. All right, NASDAQ, will you, what is happening here? All right, the high of that 15-minute candle right there, 71. So I think if we get above that 71 level, I'd look for a long. But you might have to have a decent size stop, so size accordingly. Don't go full retard. Don't do it. I promise you it's not a good idea. Don't be that guy. Still holding up here. I mean, obviously not financial advice. Don't listen to me. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I might be wrong, but I could be right. I might be wrong, but I could be right. Jack skipped out on trading today. That's probably a good idea. Taylor, do you normally wait for the candle to close? That's kind of the story. They say it's safer. That's for sure. Safer bet to wait for the candle to close. NASDAQ percolating here. Get ready. Top Step has their stop at 64 on the ES. We're getting this first like candle to get above that trend line that I drew earlier. We get through the 70s right here. We should try to expand a little bit here to the upside. All right, we're pushing through the 70s now here. I'm gonna wait till Top Step gets their stop ran and then take profit. I'm a bad man. He's a bad man. $250 algorithm, come on, 250. Someone said this could wick down. Yeah, it could. It could stop me out. It could also go higher. Two ways to look at it, I guess, you know. It could go up, it could go down. 250 algorithm, please. Just go up. Please. 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 I'm kidding about the 250 algorithm, you dumbass in the chat. Where does this volatility come from? Trump. It comes from Trump. Trump made the volatility. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This market's rigged. This shit's rigged. Market's rigged. Every time I get long, it just doesn't go anywhere. Every fucking time. It's fucking mind-blowing. Just go. Go up already. Don't do something stupid here, NASDAQ. Just fucking do it. I can't handle any more red today. I can't handle it. I might have to quit trading if I don't fucking close this trade in the green. See green, take green. I don't take my own advice. Clearly, I'm an idiot. I mean, we broke out there on that trend that we were watching. We got through the 670s here, up into the 80s now, but just gonna be stupid. My good Lord. Like, why? Why? What a joke. Get out of here. Fuck you, stop. Gotta have a backup strategy. What? Backup strategy? I only got one. One strategy, baby. Someone said I'm going on tilt. I got 5 contracts. Relax. Clearly not on contracts. If I was trading like 50 contracts, then I would be on tilt. Then I would be on tilt. All right. Like, what is this price action right now? Like, why? Never move to stop. Hey, Angber, how about this? Go fuck yourself. Patrick, God. All right, everybody, just watch the show, okay? Just watch it. Just watch me. Don't give me advice. Don't talk. Just watch. Just watch. Top step is gonna get stopped out, okay? I have it. It's a bulletproof indicator. That is a bulletproof fucking indicator. It's 100% indicator. It's gonna happen. They're short on the ES right now from the 50s. Oh, God. Like, why? Why? Like, why does this happen to me? I literally get into a trade and the market goes up 10 points and then comes back 10 points. How does that even happen? Like, literally, like this. Hey, whenever I'm not trading, this is what the market does. If I'm not in a trade, this is what the market does. It goes, you know, like if I'm not trading, it just goes, like a fucking dolphin. When I'm not trading. But if I do get into a trade, it doesn't go anywhere. It's painful. This shit's rigged. Wow. Are you kidding me? I hate trading sometimes. I literally hate it so much. I hate trading so much. All right. All right. I love trading. I love trading. It's the best. Come on. $3 algo is gonna save me, boys. Don't you worry. We're breaking out nicely here. Looking to make some money. All right, all right. Letting it ride. I would say move my stop to break even, but the moment that I do that, the market's gonna pull back and stop me out. So I'm not gonna do it. Haha. Haha. You can't do it if you can't stop me out if I don't move my stop loss, can you, market? Joke's on you. Just don't look at it. Don't look at the market. Don't look at it, everybody. Dude. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Come on, Top Step is gonna get stopped out. Oh, they're not on there anymore. Fuck. They're not on the screen anymore. We'll see if we get this push above that this high from earlier there at the 700s. Is what I would like to see. All right, like I said, chat, long from the for that break through the 670s. We talked about it earlier, watching there on the 5-minute chart. I liked it above that 670 level, right? We're targeting this pivot point to the upside there. above that 700s. Take profit a little early if we need to. But yeah, letting it ride here. End of day power hour. What did LuxAlgo say? LuxAlgo said no pattern detected. Oh, God. Wow. Move my stop up to the bottom of this candle now. All that work just to get up there and get not denied. All of that work for nothing. I am never going to be able to survive now. I know, I said take profit when you see the profit. Fuck. How? Shit's rigged.
I'm in Brisbane, Australia. I'm about to get hit by a tropical cyclone, but I find these markets more stressful.
Oh, God. Fuck my life. I swear to God. It's a fucking joke. What a joke. Like, how? How does that... It's just a joke. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me right now? You gotta be kidding me right now. All right, I'm over it. I'm done. I'll see you guys on Monday. Fuck this market. Peace to the Middle East. Just kidding. Fuck, what a joke. Are you fucking kidding me? It fucking pulls back, stops me out at the fucking 47s, and then goes straight fucking up. You gotta be fucking kidding me. That's fucking nuts. That is fucking nuts. That's what that is. It's fucking nuts. Like, how is that even fucking possible? I swear to fucking God. Market makers, bro. The inner circle ICT. Help me. ICT, help me. How do I defeat the market makers? I need to defeat them. ICT, teach me. What van do they drive? What kind of car do they drive? I need to make sure they come kidnap me, that I don't get kidnapped. This has got to be, you got to be kidding me. How the fuck? That's why I told you, don't move the stop. Did I not say that literally 5 fucking minutes ago? Did I not? I literally said 5 minutes ago, I said, don't move my stop, because if I move my stop, they're gonna fucking pull it back just to stop me out. And what did they do? What the fuck did they just do? That was crazy. The crazy part is I literally said that. I fucking said it. I didn't lose anything. I'm still fine. I'm fine. God. What a joke. Shit's a scam. Market's a scam. I don't even understand how that's possible. Like, how's that even possible? Like, look. Why? Why? Like, why? Why does this happen to me? Why does it happen to me? I don't even get it. What?
It's already export on Quick for Fox.
Sick. Fuck. Market's a scam. That was a joke. All right, refocus, reload. It's all, we're good. Reload. When in doubt, just reload, baby. Michael, how's Telegram been? Telegram's, that's where the scammers go, right? After they fail on Twitter. I don't know. How's that work? Michael, honest question though. Are you gonna win the Robbins Cup this year? Hey Michael, can Can you just pay me the $500,000 that you owe me, please? Michael, you owe me $500,000. I think it would just be fair if you just pay me the $500,000. We'll call it even. $250,000. It's a fair deal. NASDAQ right now pushing up there right to the fucking pivot point. Mike would beat you in a fist fight. What? Fisting his butthole? I doubt it. Are you crazy? You think Michael would beat me in a fist fight? Are you fucking nuts? He's like 60 years old. And he has, what do you call it? Vertigo. Whenever he stands up, he feels like he's falling down, man. That's what happens when you get old. NASDAQ pushing up there to the high of day from yesterday. That's crazy. You thought I was 50? There's no way you thought I was 50. Why are you gonna, like, there's nobody on this fucking planet that looks at me and like, that guy's 50 years old. God. The children, you gotta get the children out of the chat. Goodbye, children. All right, 20,700 area, pulling back here again. We've obviously got that pivot point up there, the previous day high through the 730s. The NASDAQ sitting right here below the pivot point. The ES pushed up to the pivot point. ES pivot point is at the 867 pivot point there. Why'd you move your stop? I don't fucking know, man. Why you ask questions? I don't know why I did what I did. I'm an idiot. What do you want me to say? It was stupid. Whatever. On to the next. On to the next. NASDAQ right there, right below that pivot point. The previous day high up there above the 30s as well. Let's see if we can get some continuation here to get through that pivot point up there through the 30s. 315, almost 315 here. End of day. Do we get another continuation above the previous day high? Hourly chart. After that, you've got like all the way up there towards the 800 level. If we break out here end of day. Why my chart looks so crazy? Previous day high right there at the 30s, 732, previous day high here. Seeing if we just poke right through that previous day high now. Just poke right through it. Just a little poke, pokey poke, poke, poke. Five-minute chart, trying to push that pivot point right there at the tool. I think it's I swear, every time I go live, the market just chops. It's a thing. It's an actual thing. Again, pulling back here. The similar looking candle to this setup here, straight back down again, 660s. Middle of the day, look at this, middle of the day. Wow, amazing, right? Just amazing price action. Middle of the day. Just wow, amazing. Power hour, end of day, this price action. Gotta love it. It's fun. Gotta trade those middle of the day moves. Right now, holding up there, 613. It's a 100-point 15-minute candle just straight back down. Crazy. Waiting to see what happens here now. ES is stuck right at the pivot point. The NASDAQ stuck at the pivot point. ES pivot point right there we got stuck at. The NASDAQ also getting stuck right there at the pivot point. LuxAlgo says there's no pattern detected on that chart. This time frame, we've got no pattern detected. Hourly time frame, we got a falling wedge, which we saw this morning, which is a bullish reversal pattern. This setup right here this morning that we broke out of. So we talked about it before the market opened, the inverse head and shoulders here playing out now. Just needed to go lower before going higher. Hourly candle not looking very decisive right now. If we lose this 30s, could be some big trouble here. You got the VWAP all the way down there to the 460s now. Lose the 620s, go through the 600s there next. Waterfall to the downside. Got down there to the 605s now. We bounced off this level there earlier. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And just chopping around there. In this range here, end of day, I guess. Both the ES and the NASDAQ looking weak here. But again, now just kind of pushing right back up. Got a bear flag here. Ripping it back up there again towards that 700 level one more time. Get an end of day pop here or what the fuck? Look at the 10-minute chart. Look at it. You just look at it. Top step got short. They got short and they're stopped out, I think. This is a hard market, man. It's hard. It's hard. It's a hard market. It's hard. We're right back up here again. 700s one more time. I need something like just something that looks real good here. JT Irby, we make it hard. What do you mean we make it hard? You make it hard. It's all your fault. Right back down there to the 650s again. Going nowhere quickly. Have to wait for the 350 algorithm to kick in, boys. That'll be when it's good. All right. Pushing up here once again. Just chopping around here, 670. See what happens if we get that. Wait for that 350 algorithm, I guess. It's just wild because like the candle is just like they don't give a fuck today. They're gonna do whatever they want. These candles are just doing whatever they want today. Crazy. And back down here again. New members, let's go. It's only $5 a month to sign up to be a member. You just got to pass the IQ test. If you test retarded, you can't be a member. Sorry. Not allowed. Not possible. No, I mean IQ, not credit card. Gary BB, you didn't take the IQ test? You didn't take the IQ test? No Ruben trade? No, Ruben's gonna be here next Thursday, actually. Ruben, Power Hour Ruben is coming to the BDH next Thursday to trade. I have no idea what he's gonna be like, but we'll find out live on YouTube. It's an experiment that we're doing, you know. It's basically just invite random people from the internet to the BDH and then see if I get murdered one day, you know. No big deal. Imagine I invite some psychopath to the BDH and then they murder me live on camera. It could be a little weird, couldn't it? It's a little weird. How did Patrick die? He died because he was watching well, he invited some guy to the BDH, basically. That wouldn't be good. I'm too beautiful to die, boys. Way too beautiful. True story. It's the only reason I need to stay alive, because I'm so beautiful. I gotta repopulate the planet with beautiful people. They're gonna use my. Never mind. I'm gonna save Japan. I'm gonna go to Japan. I'm gonna move to Japan. And I'm gonna repopulate Japan. I'm doing it for the country, for America. America is gonna repopulate Japan with Patrick Wieland. Japan is having big problems right now with population, and I'm here to help. Come. Yeah, I'm doing my part. Are you doing your part? You gotta do your part. $350 algorithm, I'm going all in. I'm going all in on the 350 algorithm. I don't know which way it's gonna go. I'm just gonna close my eyes, just like Danny trades, and I'm just gonna let it go, boys. I'm gonna let God guide my hand. You know, just very slowly. I'm gonna be like, press button and not look. If you guys were here this morning, you would have saw the video with Danny Trades. We got to bring it up one more time just because we got a little time until the 350 algorithm. But this might be honestly the best video on the entire internet. I don't know. There's pretty good videos, but this one's pretty good.
No communication with two like a juvie when I was 15 years old.
You went to juvie?
Mexico.
In Mexico?
You know, I was there for 3 months. No communication with the outside world. You know, locked in with a bunch of like people that were mentally disabled. And that's when I realized, like, dude, I do not want to go down this path, man. That, you know, when I was 15, I was such a bad kid. My parents had to send me to like a juvie when I was 15 years old in Mexico. Sent me out, you know. I was there for 3 months, no communication with the outside world. You know, locked in with a bunch of like people that were mentally disabled. And that's when I realized, like, dude, I do not want to go down this path, man. That, you know, when I was...
Danny went down the path, though. He went down the path. He went full retard. He said, I'm gonna make Patrick Wieland pay. Defamation. I love that Jay Dunn wrote that, make them eat their words, Danny. They're gonna look so bad. Wow. That might be the worst aging tweet in the history of tweets. Oh, man. You know, when I was 15, I went to like juvie, you know, for like people that are, you know, mentally challenged. The best part is, like, you can't even make this shit up. Like, the whole prop firm world this whole industry, like, it's so funny because it just, you can't, like, you'll tell people stories about what goes on in the prop firm world and they're like, wait, what? I'm like, yes, I know. It's wild. Like, people literally, there are people out there who paid $3,000. I'm serious. It sounds crazy, but people paid $3,000 to learn how to trade from Danny Trades. Like, that's crazy. You might as well, like, go fucking learn how to trade from a crackhead on the side of the street. Like, you might have a better chance of learning how to day trade listening to some crackhead on the corner than listening to Danny Trades. You know, like, that's some serious crackhead ability right there. Super Saiyan crack ability, crackhead. It's wild. All right, we got 10 minutes here until the 350 algorithm. Right now, the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is trying to do something here. I mean, it don't want to go down, but it don't want to go up. So which way is it going to go? I got no fucking idea. It's just going to go absolutely fucking sideways for an hour. Like, fuck my life. How is it that I got done streaming this morning when we were down here, right? Or maybe actually like in here. I stopped streaming when we were down here. I started streaming when we were up here. This whole entire fucking move right here. How the fuck? You can't even make this up. Like, it's impossible. Like, you would be like, you're joking, Patrick. I'm like, no, I'm not. Like, this is literally reality. Like, actual reality. That when I start streaming, the market goes absolutely fucking nowhere. When I go to lunch, the market goes up 400 fucking points. No, it was a terrible lunch. Fucking worst lunch of my life. Every time you do power hour, I know. I'm over it. It's a joke. What a fucking joke. It's a scam. This shit's a scam, man. All right. I mean, I fucking NASDAQ. We get through the 700s, take out the previous day high, going into the 350 algorithm, maybe. I don't fucking know. I don't know. Mike, why not just do combines? I don't trade combines. Only evals. I can make $1 million trading combines all day, no problem, easy. It's as soon as you go into the funded account, that's when it's just like the market just fucks you. Just fucks you. The market says, oh, the market maker's like, all right, he just entered. He just took his first trade on the funded account. Get ready. All right, false breakout. Here we go. Bam! Every fucking time. Steve Official, he's out of here. Are you going to leave right now? You got 7 minutes until the 350 algorithm. I'm telling you, it's going to be a good one. Chad Cobra's long. Chad Cobra. Did I see something about take profit trader consistency rules? Yeah, in the eval, you need, I don't think you can make more than 50% of your total profit in the take profit trader eval. You can't make more than 50%. Look at this. This is what I should have done. I should have been a hot girl YouTube streamer, DJ. I'd be so much richer. This video's got 1 million views on it. It's just her DJing. Hell yeah. I could do this. Future job. You know, if this whole day trading stuff don't work out, I could just become a DJ. I think I'd be pretty good DJ. Yeah, I saw your post. Nice work, Mike, flipping on the choppy days. Hey, anything that helps you avoid, you know, taking bad trades, nothing, that's what you want to do. Make rules that stop you from taking bad trades. Right now, this is looking a lot. Is this like a fucking head and shoulders now? We're gonna go straight down, MOC. Straight down at MOC. We got 4 minutes here. 4 minutes until market MOC orders hit the book. Market on close orders. 350 algorithm. If you've never experienced a 350 algorithm, go ahead and hit the like button because you're about to fucking experience it, boys. That's right. If you're a first timer, get the lube out. Go ahead and get the lube out because you're about to get it. And it ain't gonna be pretty. Get the lube. I was talking to a guy earlier about a car, and he's like, man, you're gonna get really fucked on this. And I said, well, as long as you got some extra lube, I won't be so upset about it. Would you ever want to open a Chipotle franchise?
I don't want to own a Chipotle franchise.
I don't think they have franchise. I think they're all owned by corporate, right? New members, only $5 a month. If you donate $5, help Patrick from starving. I need to buy a new McLaren. Please help me. If you donate $5, I will I'll let you take a picture of my McLaren if I ever see you. Did the guy respond about the price? He did. He's being a little bitch. He's like, that's my rock bottom price. I always love when people like they say that's the rock bottom. I'm like, that ain't your rock bottom. That ain't your rock bottom price. Why are you lying? Don't lie. Don't lie to me. I know you would go lower. Why the McLaren again? Because I want a 765. The 765 LT. There's only 765 coupes or spiders in the entire world. And I want to own one of 700. Because then I'll be one of 700 in the world. What's your Chipotle order? Ooh, steak, cheese, sour cream. All right, boys and girls, we are ready. We got less than a minute here, people. Less than a minute. It's gonna get wild. All right, do we go straight up or straight down? I mean, either way, we're going some direction here. Something's gonna happen. I'm not sure, but something is gonna happen. I can't tell you for sure, but I can tell you that right at 350, this market's gonna move. It's gonna move. There you go, it's moving. It's doing something. Just kidding. It's not going to move. I was kidding. Hell yeah, $5 for the McLaren.
Legend. For the McLaren.
Thank you. Thank you. It's gotta move. Testing that 620 area. We bounced there earlier, but if we wipe right through there, who knows? We could just go straight to the fucking ground here. This market has been holding up on pins and needles. Pins and fucking needles, boys. Pins and needles. Pins and needles. Wow. Wow. Wow, the 620, what a fucking joke. What a joke. That was a scam. I just can't win today. I can't win today, chat. It's impossible to win. Every time I try to win, it just doesn't win. We did win, but was riding this lower, had a runner, and then got stopped out there. Shorted here at the 666s. Oh my God, I shorted the devil's number. That was weird. Did not know that. I did not know that. Don't short the devil's number. Well, they're going back up now. Even the MOC's choppy. This shit is a scam, man. I want a refund. I want a refund. Somebody call the NASDAQ. I want a refund. I'm tired of paying for this bullshit. God's hand. JT, I told you. Dude, I shorted the devil's number. I manifested it. All right, I really apologize, everybody in the stream right now. I apologize because the market is going absolutely fucking nowhere. How is this? I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop streaming forever. I quit because it's me. I'm cursed. It's crazy. Like, it's crazy, man. Like, it's actually crazy.
Be honest, will I win Robin's Cup? I think we need squash the beef.
Danny, can you talk about this, Danny? Danny, can you? I need you to talk about this, Danny. Danny, are you here? Danny, is your dad still gonna sue me, or is that just bullshit? I'm still waiting, but Danny, is your dad gonna sue me or what? I've never had a full-grown man, dad try to sue me before. Just wondering. I know he sells Medicare insurance.
Parents had to send me to,
but
it was like a juvie when I was 15 years old in Mexico. Sent me, I was there for 3 months, no communication with the outside world. Locked in with a bunch of people that were mentally disabled. And that's when I realized, dude, I do not want to go down this path, man.
Danny, you should have realized you don't want to go down this path against PW. Because you got crushed like the little pissant that you are. Now go back to your whatever shithole you came from. Go back to your mental institution. I don't fucking know, bro. Just stop. You know what I mean? Just stop trying. You just gotta stop, Danny. You love me so much, bro. I get it. You want to be my son, but you already got a daddy. We already know who your daddy is. And and I don't want to, I don't want to mess up his life. Look at him. He looks like he hasn't skipped a meal in a while. Why so much hate? Danny.
Why so much hate, haha. I just asked if Ema win Robin's Cup.
Is your dad gonna sue me or not? I'm trying to figure this out because my lawyers are waiting. We've been sitting here all week And your dad's lawyers have not actually sent any lawsuits. Why is that? Oh yeah, because you're a fucking scam and you have all the proof in the world. So if we go to court, yeah, that'll really work well, won't it? It'll work out really well. Yeah, even your dad's not retarded enough to go to court against me. Exactly. Big bank take little bank, Danny. Big bank take little bank. Welcome to the real world, not the mental institution that your daddy sent you to. God. This kid, man, he just don't quit. He don't know when to stop. Like, how many times? How many times you got to make yourself look like a fool? Literally, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's literally crazy. God, this is the best too. This is the email that I got from Danny's dad, Danny's daddy attorney. Manuel Moraz, I'm writing to you formally demand that you cease and desist defaming FFF with your baseless and falseless assertions. Oh, really? Did you guys lie to everybody and call fucking Jay Dunn your CEO? Oh, yeah. This was my response to Danny's daddy. I would love to go to court at any moment of any time, Danny. I would love it. I'd fucking love it because I will wipe the goddamn floor with you and your whole fucking family. Maybe not your whole family, but just you and your daddy. I will take you and your daddy out to the fucking playpen. Put you all, I'll bend you over and slap both your little butts. God. Tell your daddy's attorney to go get a fucking job because he ain't good at being an attorney. God. This kid, man. Don't worry, Danny. You can always sell fucking Medicare insurance. I know your dad's good at that at least. And get your daddy some more Medicare. You gotta get that Medicare insurance. Danny, what happened to your statement, Danny? Why does the 9 look so different than the other 9s? Where did that 9 even come from, Danny? Why does it all look so different? Daddy. Even, oh God. Terrible. God, look at this guy. I'm just gonna put him up there forever. Waiting for Danny's dad to sue me. I can't wait. Any moment now.
TBHI just suck at Photoshop.
Well, we know that, Danny. We know you suck at Photoshop. Maybe you can help your dad Photoshop his photos a little bit. Also, Danny, can you clarify the cars and everything that you used to post on social media? Were those your cars or were those your dad's cars? Because I heard that your mom or your stepmom drives the pink G-Wagon. So I thought the pink G-Wagon was your baby mama's. Are you trying to hide from child support, Danny? Is that what's happening? You know you got to pay child support. That's what happens when you have a baby. When you put your little pee-pee inside of a woman and then you have a baby, you are then responsible for it, Danny. I don't know. I think there's something more to the story. There's more to the story.
Strategy. You know, sometimes I hop on the trades and I don't even chart. You know, I just do what I feel I want to do. It's a numbers game. You know, long, short, between 5 seconds, I come out on top because I know and I understand that it's a numbers game, you know, and that's how you're gonna win. That's how you're gonna get on top, you know.
Oh man, it's too good. It's too good. It's too good. It's the best story ever. Where's the other video that I made? Oh, this one's good.
Better time than now to take action, start your funding journey, and become a funded trader. Welcome to the funding. Myself running everything, right? That's not how things work. You have vendors, you know, you have bank, and for me, being a profit owner was just taking too much time and too much mental capacity. It's less about strategy.
Mental.
You know, sometimes I hop on the trades and I don't even chart. You know, I just do what I feel I want to do. It's a numbers game. You know, long, short, between 5 seconds. You know. Yep. So.
Yep.
No better time than now to take action, start your funding journey, and become a funded trader. Welcome to the funding. Myself running everything, right? That's not how things work. You have vendors, you know, you have bank.
I love that Jay Dunn literally said, he goes, guys, I wasn't running everything. There's vendors and then there's banks. There's banks. He literally made a video to explain that there are banks. You know what I mean? Like he literally made a video.
Really funny, ha ha ha.
He made a video to explain that there are banks. Banks. Guys, I wasn't running everything. There are banks. Oh man. Thanks for the money, Danny, but I feel bad because I think you're gonna need it. Because I think you got to pay that child support, Danny, at some point. You know, you got to pay that child support. Don't not pay it, Danny. Don't be a broke daddy. I pay child support. I know about it, so it's all good. I'm gonna make sure I get a good photo of this where he says that he sucks at Photoshop. We got to make sure we put that in the file, you know. So when we go to court for defamation, we'll put that in the file. We'll be like, Judge, the person who's suing me for defamation, he admitted on the YouTube that he is bad at Photoshop. So I don't know who's wrong, who's right.
And my cars are mine. Pink G-Wagon is my wife's, and I take good care of my daughter, bro. Chill, lol.
Why you, Danny, stop lying. It's your stepmom's car. We already know it. Everybody has told me. I've talked to people that know a lot about everything. And I know, Danny, I know so much shit that you did, all the fucked up shit. How many times you stole money from people? You had people pay you $3,000 and then you never did anything. You had people fly to California to get a one-on-one mentorship. Trust me, Danny, we have a file that is this big because people want you to go to jail. It's crazy. Like they are literally sending me so much proof. It's amazing. I can't wait. Oh, it's scary. What's wild is I'm just amazed at how fucking dumb you were about it. Like that's the crazy part. You were so fucking bad at being a scam and you got caught, like just insanely bad, Daddy. I feel bad for you, bro. I hope that you find some help because you were fucked. You are so fucked, Daddy. Oh my God. It was bad. I mean, literally taking money from people, having them fly to California to train, and then like, oh, just weird shit, bro. Don't be a scumbag, you know? That's all. So there it is. I gotta go work on Danny's lawsuit or what whistleblower suit or whatever you call it. A lot of files, a lot of paperwork. Got to fill it all out. You know, it's hard. So no Photoshop needed for that because we got all the proof. That's the best part. Should I send this stuff to your dad's attorney or who?
Always capping, ha 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 ha.
Dude, this kid's crazy. I think he's retarded. I think Daddy's literally retarded. This kid is retarded. This kid is literally, I think he's fucking retarded. I feel bad for him, honestly. I feel bad. I really do feel bad for him. I hope he finds help somewhere because it's not a bright future for Danny. Not a bright future for that guy. So I'll see you guys on Monday. I got the fishing tournament tomorrow and Friday. And we got a lot of big stuff coming. Big stuff popping. I think the editor's done with the video from the Bahamas. It's going to be wild. It's going to be crazy. And I'll see you guys Monday morning. Mega Money Mondays. Hopefully I'm fucking rich. Hopefully I don't show up on Monday because I'm so drunk and so fucking hungover from partying all weekend because I won $1 million. Like that would be sick. Yeah, so if I'm not here on Monday, that's what happened. Either that or Danny killed me. It's either one or the other. I don't know which one. We'll find out. So there it is. Peace to the Middle East. See you all on the flip side.